Radhe Radhe everyone, welcome back to my channel Aspirants Horizon. Today I've come up with the review video on CGP Mentor 75 Days Crash Course. Let me clear, guys, I have not purchased this course because I have already purchased the EduTap course earlier. So I am referring that only. But one of my friend has purchased this 75 days course. So I thought of reviewing this, and I thought of like at least saying like what extra they are providing. So yes, I have gone through the material, and I would like to tell you guys that it's somehow same. The EduTap or any other course that you will purchase, you will find the static part is same. So only difference is their like way of presenting the data, and they have some different way of presenting the current affairs also. In EduTab they have a different way of presenting current affairs and their static data, but here they have different way. I would like to tell you, like, don't go for multiple courses. If you have purchased one, rely on that, study that well and revise that. That is more than enough. So I my friend has like purchases, so I thought of just checking it, and I thought of sharing the video with you. So yes, let's start from here. This QRE MCQ booklet. Also, guys, this is a crash course, so they are covering things like very fast, not in very detail, but I find that it's like good. They are not taking like much time to cover one chapter. They are covering things very fast. So because it's a crash course and their target is to complete everything in 75 days, and they are including in this 75 days the phase 1 as well as phase 2 current affairs also. So it's a big thing. Like if you feel that you don't have any course as of now, if you have purchased one, then don't go for it. But if you feel like that you cannot study like at your home place regularly, you are not consistent, so I feel in that case this course is beneficial because they will be taking live lectures, so you will be like attentive and you will be like motivated to attend live lectures regularly, and in this way you will cover like most of the stuff. But yes, they are not covering everything like in detail because this is a crash course. And the price is also, my friend purchased it at 4,000, but I think currently the price is around 3,500. You guys can check. So yes, let's start. First is that they have provided the QRE booklet. They have provided the like practice questions like on English vocabulary. They have provided the like words and their meanings. So this is the it's kind of dictionary, not dictionary, but yes, the word meanings are there. So if you want to improve your vocabulary, you can like read from here. But yes, this is like very lengthy. I don't know like if someone like go through this, because what we prefer, we cannot like retain every meaning. And I think RBI exam is near also, so you cannot like go through every PDF. But yes, one thing is great here is that they have provided the reasoning book also. In this they have provided ample number of questions on each chapter. You can see this is the like index. Let's wait. Yeah, so this is the index on every topic. They have provided a good number of questions. I think around 100 to 200 questions they have provided on each topic. So this is good. And they have provided separate book on puzzles and sitting arrangement and data interpretation and data sufficiency, because this is the important uh, like like major part of this quant and reasoning section. As well as they have provided the quant book as well. In this also they have covered the miscellaneous topics. Let me show you the index of this. So yeah, this is the index. So they have covered all the chapters. If someone want to like start from the basic, they have provided the question in level wise, like from basic to advanced. So if you want to have like if you want a good grip on any chapter, you can go through these like PDF and you can practice a lot of questions. And in DI also they have provided the separate book, so that you will like practice it separately on daily basis. So yes, this is the index for DI. So they have started with table, chart, bar graph, line graph, and then they have mixed graph also. So this is like important. They have started everything from basic only, not like difficult question in start. Like you can see here, these are the like basic questions. So this is it for QRE booklet. Now let's move forward. So this is the English descriptive section. So they have like in crash course, they are not taking the live lectures or anything. They have taken they have provided the recorded lectures for English section. So you can see here they have provided the essay content, Chandrayaan essay. So some of the like prominent topics they have already provided on the descriptive English section, reading comprehension, and these are the if someone is preparing for NABARD grade A, so there also they can find the like letter writing and reading comprehension. So it's like good. Let's move to the most important. 1 second, guys. So yeah, so I was talking about current affairs, one of the most important thing in our RBI NABARD any exam. So what they have providing is in crash course, they are like they are providing the daily current affairs. Like if someone has to like read habit of reading every day, so you can read current affairs on daily basis. Let me show you one PDF. Yeah, this is the way they are like providing. Like this is the way how they present their like material. So yes, this is they are providing on daily basis, as well as they are providing the compiled also. As you can see here, um, yeah, for March you can see 1st to 31st of March they have provided the compiled data, and one like best thing in CGB is that they provide the top 200 MCQs or top 100 MCQs. I think this is their like tagline of like providing 100 MCQs or top 100, 200 MCQs before exams. So this is the important thing. You can do the reverse learning here. Also, they have provided the current affair quiz for like every month. So you can check here for like till March they have covered. And they are also providing daily PIB. As you all know, PIB is like very important, as well as they are providing the compiled PIB. Let me show you one PDF from yes from March month. We can or just see from 1st to 10th of April they have provided the PIB compilation. So this is they are providing according to ministries, and they have also provided the current affair that are relevant for phase 1 only. So in this way, they have segregated the PIB. You can see here. So yes, also in this crash, as this is a crash course for RBI, but they have also provided the current affairs for NABARD and for AFO as well, which is a good thing. If someone is preparing for more than one exam, then it's a good thing. And yes, one of their most like important part is the top 50 circulars. What they have done is they have compiled the top 50 circulars, the most important circulars, and they have like provided the videos as well on that, like lectures on every top 50 you can see here. So I think this is the great thing for like finance section. This is the important thing. RBI circulars are very important for finance. So this is the best thing that they have done. Also they are this is the top 50 circulars, and other than that we are also providing the monthly circulars that are like updating or coming, any monthly circular that is coming. And also one thing I have seen that they are not providing something extra on the paid course. In current affairs I have seen in YouTube only they are providing the like monthly videos on like circulars. As you can see here, this video is on, you can also watch this on YouTube. So this is not something extra they are providing to the like paid members. Only one thing that is extra here, that they are providing the PDF also for the monthly circulars. But they are covering this on the public platform, that is YouTube. So if you don't want to purchase and you feel like your studying is done, you just want to like go for current affairs, then I would suggest you just watch the YouTube videos. They are not covering anything special for paid course. What they are providing in YouTube is what they are providing in the paid course. Only the thing is, they are providing the PDFs to the paid members and not on the YouTube. But I feel you can make your own notes from YouTube itself. So they are providing like monthly circulars on YouTube, and in same way they are providing the current affair, like daily PIB video is also there on their YouTube channel. Finance video is also there on their YouTube channel. So they are covering every part of current affair in their YouTube. So I think you can just do from there. Also separately they have provided the economic survey, budget reports that are like important for exam, and top 100 MCQs. I think that this they will provide like before exam only. So this is for current affairs. Next is um, ASI static. So one thing I have noticed is in EduTab they have like provided the PDFs and all the data like very comprehensively, very in detail manner. And sometimes you will feel like, yeah, this is too much. Or how can I like cover all this syllabus? How will I cover this? This is too much. I don't think if this is relevant for exam or not. But in grade B, what I have seen is they have also provided everything comprehensively, but they have specifically stick to the syllabus, and they have provided only like those things that are specifically mentioned in the syllabus, nothing more, nothing less. So their notes are kind of brief, I would say, as compared to EduTab. Only this is the difference. Otherwise, in EduTab you will find everything. That I have realized that they are not leaving anything. They are covering anything. Like if any question will come, you will surely tackle that. But in CGB mentors, they are covering things as per the syllabus. They are not covering like everything, or they are including every data in their like notes. So their notes are kind of like as per the syllabus. So yes, these are the PDFs that they have provided, and also they are taking the live lectures. So currently they have taken these in ESI. They have taken these live lectures, basis of economics, national income. This is done as of now. I think if you want to purchase, you are not late. You can still cover it up. And one best thing that I have noticed is they are also providing the theme based descriptive, like theme based information for your phase 2 descriptive answer writing. Suppose the topic is financial inclusion, so they are providing the everything on financial including the facts and figures also. So these are their theme based content. You can see here, like as per RBI financial inclusion index, they have provided the data in one place only for like one topic. For example, here it is financial inclusion. Everything related to financial inclusion is included here. So I think this is a very like great thing that they are doing, like providing everything in one place. This is the like second best thing of CGB. Let's move to next. Yeah, in finance also in same way they have provided the PDFs. Some of the PDFs are downloadable, but some are not, and they are taking the live lectures also for the 75 days course. So currently they have completed inflation and financial inclusion. So yes, next is their management. I found that their faculty is also good. EduTap faculty is like best. I have found them like very great. All the teachers there are like excellent. Like I can like I understand everything like what they are like explaining. But in EduTap I have also seen that their faculties are like also good. So in management they are taking the live classes. Currently ethics and personality and perception they have started. So this was in management. Next is your QRE. So what they have done is they have provided everything for English. They are not going to take the live lectures for like English. They are providing the already recorded lectures on English. And in Quant they are taking the lectures like every day. But yes, one thing I have realized that they are not covering everything deeply here, as it is a crash course. So They are just covering everything like in a very fast manner. You can see that DI is completed in just 2 days, and DI is such a like vast number of questions are there. So I have watched these lectures, but I have found that these are not beginner friendly. If you want, like if you're weak in quant or reasoning, so I would not suggest you to go for it. Like watch videos on YouTube first on like for basics, and then you can see that. So this is for the QRE. They are taking the live videos. In reasoning, only coding and decoding lecture is like they have taken as of now, not more. So this is for QRE. Next is your government scheme. So they are separately taking government scheme ministry wise. You can see here they are taking the lectures. I will not play the lecture here, but yes, they are taking ministry wise the most important government scheme. This is a great thing because government scheme is also like very important like aspect of RBI grade B exam. So yes, that's it for the crash course, guys. I think the final thing is that if you are like not regular, if you are not consistent, and you have like studied earlier also, then you can purchase this course for your consistency, because every day they will take class and you will be motivated to attend those classes. But yes, if you are beginner, then for phase two, like ESI, finance and management, this course is fine. But for QRE, it's not. In QRE, they are covering things like very fast, and I don't think you will be like able to, if you have not like if you don't have any background in like quant or reasoning, then I don't think you will be able to understand anything. So this is the final review, guys. So that's it. If you have not purchased anything, any course, then you can go for it. But if you have already purchased it, don't buy it, because nothing special is there in this course. If you have any other course, just follow that, revise those content, and nothing more. So yes, guys, that's it. Thank you so much.